Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Andrew. I'm Auto Glass Technician. It's Friday. I'm working on a 14 to 18 GMC Sierra. It's going to be the same as the Chevy Silverado. We're going to work on the center slider, but we're going to remove this center slider and we're going to install it on this truck here. So if you have one of these trucks, it is something you can do. You don't necessarily have to remove the seat, although there are some pickups that you do remove the seat and the window regulator when you're replacing the whole thing. But on this one, we're just going to be saving the centerpiece. So with that being said, so if you get first remove all the broken pieces, and then you'll be able to slide this in. But we're gonna get this other one. I'm gonna demonstrate how to pull it. Okay, got my pick tool here. We're gonna pull this insert out. Okay, this will slide out. Okay, once that's out, should be able to see how easy this is. Now the insert's out, you should push this up and it pop out like that. Okay, so now we've got our piece of glass here. We'll go ahead and clean it off real quick. Like I said, this is just the easiest way to do it. Okay, same deal here. We're gonna have to remove that insert. Forgot my tool. Got this one here. It sounds like it had a little bit of broken glass in it still. Now our center slider is over here in the open position. We're going to open it up, or excuse me, going to close it. So now it's in the closed position. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this. I'm going to get down here. Oh, got some music on the truck. Turn that off. All I do is lift up, now that it inserts up there, and then drop it down into our little track. Dropped it in. Now I'm going to test it, opening it. There it is. Now, for the insert, just put it back in. You can start over here and slide it down. Make sure it's in the center of it and not on either side. I've done that before. And it gets jammed up. If you don't have it in there properly, it gets really tight. So we want to make sure that it's going into this center section here. Got it closed. I'm gonna start from the other side. Probably not able to see a lot. I started the insert going this way, slide all the way in. Now it's in there, and we're gonna open it back up, make sure it opens and closes. Now, great, this is a good example. It stopped. It's getting really tight. That means the insert's not in there properly and it's getting jammed up. Okay, so quick explanation for you get jammed up. If your insert's incorrectly installed, okay, if it's incorrectly installed, it gets jammed up. And what I want you to know is when you open this thing up, there's another plastic piece. I don't know how well you can see that. That plastic piece gives it where it pushes down on the glass, okay? It only goes so far once you get past a certain point. See, there's the end of it right there. The other part of it is there's nothing in there. It's just that portion here. And what it is that other insert that's inside of here is for where it's when it's in the closed position. If you have it backwards, as the slider opens, it gets into this part where it has where it's pushing down and it gets jammed up. So we want to make sure to have the insert in there correctly, where it's going to put pressure on that part down here to, I guess for it to be tighter fitting in there when it's shut, in the shut position. But that's how you do it. That's what you got to watch out for. Otherwise, again, definitely an easy one for you to do, and you can do it. We do sell these parts on our eBay store, so that was the idea behind the video, so we can have something to reference for customers. When you purchase this part, you can install it yourself. Thanks for checking this out.